to the southern Gaza city of Rafah, regardless of whether the ceasefire deal is.
Good morning, guys. Welcome back to Concept Interiors. This is my YouTube channel. The guy here, Mr. Ebole. I'm coming to you live from Rwanda, guys. As I said to you before, I'm coming live from Rwanda. You can see this is the project that we are having in Rwanda here. So today I'm here. I just want to show you a few things that are happening here. Sorry guys, my voice is a bit hoarse. This place is a bit cold and I got a cold. So today I'll be showing you how Rwandese do their work. Today we are pouring the slab here. So I'll be showing you how it is done, the locals here. As you can hear, they are chanting their local songs. That's a motivational song, guys. So welcome to my YouTube channel, Concept Interiors, your channel, your educative channel. So today I'll be showing you what you're doing up here. Thank you. Watch the video to the end. These are clay blocks fired. I'm told they are fired in a special kiln. So they are clay blocks. These are used for roofing. I'll show you how these clay blocks are used for making the roof. Not the roof, actually, the slab. They're good. They're recommended for the slab because they're makes the structure to be light because it is hollow. So it is different like when you're doing just a 6-inch thick of concrete for a slab. It will be very heavy compared to if you're using the fired bricks. We have also blocks, hollow blocks that are used for the slabs, but in this case these are hollow bricks and they're used for fired bricks. This triangular steel design is used to make the slab. So I'll show you on my next video how to use this one. So this is the slab we're doing today. As you can see, guys, we have we're using hollow clay blocks. These are hollow clay blocks. These are very good for the slab because they make the structure to be very light, and again it doesn't consume a lot of concrete. So it also saves on concrete and also on the steel bars. So this is how it is done. You can see these are the hollow blocks. So these are that triangular beam that has been put over there in between the hollow blocks. So first you need to do the triangular beam, lay it straight, and then in between you do the hollow blocks. These hollow blocks have been made, they are fired in clay. They are fired clay blocks, so, and they are hollow. This makes the structure to be very light and it doesn't consume a lot of mortar, a lot of concrete. So this is what has been done here today. And as you can see here at the end here, this is the balcony, or you can call it a cantilever. So this one has to be done completely in the steel bars for it to be strong, so that it can be able to hold the strength of the cantilever of the balcony. So this is why they've not used the hollow blocks here, because towards the end it needs to be very strong. So I'll be showing you what we are doing here, and then you also have to provide some beams for the strength at an interval. So we'll have our beam here. That one will give in strength, so we have that one over there. Then we have another beam over here. This one is directly on the structure, so it is supporting the structure. You can see. So what we are building here, these are townhouses. We have these are 2 units of a townhouse. So we have 3 sections, each section holding 2 townhouses. As you can see here, these are 2 townhouses. We have one, the stairs of 1 unit is over here. This is the stairs from the ground floor, and the other stairs is over here. So this makes it 2 units. So today I want to show you how the Rwandese people do their concrete. They use a lot of manual labor, and they are chanting some local songs just to motivate them. So you can hear them chanting. So guys, this is how we do it in Rwanda. So that's a motivational song, guys, just to motivate them to work so hard, because normally when you're doing a slab, when you start, you have to finish. So they started this morning, and at the end of the day, you have to make sure that they finish, because you cannot do pouring the slab and leave it in the middle. So that's what they're doing. So I'll be showing you more of these photos, more of the chanting, more of the local Rwandese people, how they're doing it. So we also have another cantilever here. There's a cantilever, okay, it's over here. Let me show you, it's a balcony suspended with very strong bars. Suspended cantilever. As you can see, they've used a very strong bar. This is, I think it's D32. So it's going all the way to suspension. So guys, continue watching this video to the end. Today's video, I'll be showing you basically how Rwandese people how they work, and how we are doing the slab, how to use the hollow blocks I've shown you before, and also how the project is going. So later on I'll be showing you where they're doing the mixture, where the concrete mixture is being done. And then at the same time, I'll also show you how the hollow blocks are being arranged, how to arrange the hollow blocks. So just continue watching this video if you want to learn more about construction, if you want to learn more about how it's done here in Rwanda. So thank you very much for our viewers, our returning viewers. We want to thank you. We want to say thank you very much for always coming to watch our videos. Thank you very much for being with us. And if you're a new subscriber to this channel, please subscribe. Thank you very much. If you're a new subscriber, thank you very much. Welcome. This is In Concept Interior Studio. At In Concept Interior Studio, we teach people how to do a lot of things in matters concerning construction and interior design, and basically real estate as a whole. So there's a lot of content coming on this channel. So continue watching this channel as we continue bringing you this content. Thank you. guys, we also have women in the midst. They are also carrying the concrete. So that is the vibrator. When you're pouring concrete, you have to make sure that you vibrate the concrete very well, properly, so that it sinks inside. The vibrator normally eliminates the air pockets in the concrete, so that when the structure is done, there's no air pockets. The concrete is strong, so it strengthens the structure. That's the importance of using a vibrator on concrete. So guys, we have this structure here that's already complete, and in concept interiors studio is already on site. We've already started fitting the cabinetry for the units. These are 2-bedroom units and 3-bedroom units. Yes. Guys, this is an aerial view of the townhouses. That's how they look. So as I told you before, the song is just to motivate them, to make sure that they're working hard and they're not getting tired. So they have to keep on chanting the local traditional songs. This gives them a little bit extra energy to work hard. There's a lot of manual labor here, because where I come from, in Nairobi, normally we have machines, concrete hoist machine that normally takes the concrete to the roof. But here I can see they use a lot of manual labor, so they are a little bit more manual oriented than mechanical. Good to learn a little bit of different cultures. So this is a Rwandese culture. This is how they do it, this is how they work. So guys, I hope you're enjoying the video. Continue watching the video to the end. As I told you, we're in Rwanda. In Rwanda, very beautiful, very beautiful scenery. This is one of the Rwanda's suburbs. As you can see, the place is very green. So you can imagine the neighborhood. So we have a golf course. So this is a very prime neighborhood where there's a so that's the view. You can enjoy the view. The place is so hilly. The topography is very interesting, very hilly. You can enjoy the view of the mountains and hills over there. So continue watching our Rwandan episodes. We are going to bring you more videos about Rwanda because we'll be here for quite some time, and we'll bring you videos, a lot of videos about Rwanda, how beautiful it is, how the Rwandese people are good people. I find them to be very good, friendly, and welcoming. So watch the videos. We have more coming on your way from Rwanda, episodes from Rwanda. Continue watching the videos to the end. So guys, as we continue with this episode, we've been discussing on just showing you how to use the hollow blocks when you're doing your slabs. as you said before, the hollow blocks, they make the structure to be very light, and again it also saves you on concrete. You don't use a lot of concrete, and when the structure is light, actually it is also safe for the structure, because it does not have to carry a lot of weight, because pure concrete is very heavy. So there's not something I also want to point out, especially when using hollow blocks. It's very important to note this specific aspects. You can see on how the hollow blocks have been arranged. You can see there's some areas that they've not used hollow blocks, and like this area here, they've not used hollow blocks, and they've just done the normal. They've used the steel bars. You can see they've used the heavy gauge steel bars, especially on the center and on both ends. They've used steel bars and reinforced the slab just like the normal slab, the way they reinforce it. This is the reason they did that, is because of the cantilever. You can see the balcony over there is hanging. It is supported with the props from the bottom. It is supported. So if you're using hollow blocks, it's advised that you don't use your hollow blocks all the way to the edge where the cantilever is starting or where the balcony is starting. You have to push it a little bit back inside, so that the structure can be strong. This is the reason as to why they did not put hollow blocks all the areas. You will notice that where there's a balcony or a cantilever, they have not put hollow blocks a few meters inside the structure, so that the slab can have a base to hold and also be able to support the cantilever or the balcony. So in this case, on this structure, you will see on the front side, on both sides, on the right hand side and also on the left hand side over here, they have used steel bars, and the hollow blocks are a little bit inside. So this will help the structural support for the balcony to hang, because if you bring the hollow blocks all the way to the edge, then the balcony will be very heavy of concrete and it could collapse. So we have to give the balcony a base on top of the existing structure. And you'll also notice on the back side of the structure, there's also no hollow blocks at the back side. That is because there's a balcony, there's a small balcony behind there. So that balcony also needs support that is carried by the main structure. So those are a few features that you need to note when you're using hollow blocks. You don't do the hollow blocks all the way to the edge when you're having a cantilever or a balcony. So the balcony must be supported from the main structure, because it will hold the 6 or 8 millimeter inch of the concrete. So that's why when you look at the arrangement of the hollow blocks, in some areas they have not put the blocks, the bricks actually, and they've just done the normal way of doing the steel bars supporting the floor, the slab. So those are a few features that I really wanted to point out, so that you are aware when it comes in terms of using the hollow blocks or the hollow bricks. So thank you for watching the video. Continue watching this video to the end as we educate you more on matters construction. As I said before, guys, these people, they are special team for concrete mixing. And that's their work. That's what they do for a living. They are professionals. As you can see, they have to wait for each other, motivate each other, clap their hands. You can see even men are balancing their buckets on the head without touching them, clapping their hands, balancing the concrete. And remember, the concrete is full in the bucket. You can imagine how heavy it is. So they are pouring concrete on the other structure over there, which I'll be showing you later. This is how it's done here. About these guys, you can hear they are chanting. They are chanting, that's how they motivate themselves when they are doing the concrete. Heavy working team. Yeah. A very hard working team. So this guy is telling me to buy him beer, but I'm telling him, please finish the work fast. He will fall down. For our returning subscribers, please don't forget to turn on the notification buttons so that you can be notified every time that our video is up. Sorry. Guys, that's their profession, so they are specifically hired to do the concrete work. As you can see they are professionals. You can see men carrying buckets of concrete on their head, balancing them nicely without touching. This shows you how professional they are. They've been doing this for quite some time. So you can see they are balancing the concrete basket on their head. And you know how concrete is heavy. So this shows very well, shows that this really, indeed, these guys are professionals. So this is their work, this is what they do for a living. They're hired in different sites just to go and do the concrete work. So you can see the coordination, the enthusiasm, and the efficiency. This means that this is what they do every day. They are used to this and they are very efficient and they are very well coordinated. So these are professional concrete mixers. They do the concrete works in Rwanda here. So that's their profession. Very interesting. Very interesting. And they're happy. They're executing their duty very happily. They love what they're doing. So for our international viewers, guys, we are in Rwanda, and this is how we do it in Africa. So this is a developing country, so we don't have a lot of mechanisms to do concrete work. So this is how we do it. We have to do this the way we do it until we get developed, until we get to that mechanism level. So please watch and see how we do it here in Africa, and we are proud of it. You can see the way they coordinate. They have to wait for each and every bucket to be filled, and then they have to do a song, clap their hands, energize themselves. It's very entertaining, guys. Very entertaining. I love watching this. I hope you are enjoying this too. Actually today it's been raining this morning, So the path is very muddy, but good enough is you can see each and every one of them have some gumboots. The floor is very slippery, actually very slippery. I tried walking over there and I almost fell, but they are doing it without any hiccup. So this shows how professional they are, how they are used to this environment. These are clay soil, very slippery and very slippery. These guys are doing it without any problem. So I like the coordination. You can see the coordination. They have to get their bucket filled, wait for each other, do some chanting, clap their hands, and then they can come together, all of them together as a team, or as a team, and also sing a song, clap their hands. Also after pouring, they have to wait for each other. This looks like a well-coordinated event. It's a well-coordinated event, you can see. After pouring, they have to sing a little bit, and then they go back. So guys, continue watching the videos in concept materials. We're here. As we said, we'll be bringing you videos, very entertaining videos on this channel. Very entertaining. We are in Rwanda, as I said before. So our videos will be showing you how things are being done here in Rwanda, because each and every country have got their own culture. I see the culture here is singing and clapping and chanting and working, which is a very good idea because it gives you energy, it gives you motivation, and also working as a team, encouraging each other is also another good thing that I've noticed that happens here, that we don't do the same back in our country. So you can see the back, even the guys filling the baskets are very efficient, very fast. After the bucket is full, they have to wait. They'll do a little bit of chanting, a little bit of encouragement. Guys, so I hope you are enjoying the video. I'm also enjoying too. The whole idea of being here in Rwanda has been my dream, and finally I'm here. You can see they're chanting, singing, and then after that they come all together as a team. Yeah, so a lot of manual labor here in Africa. A lot of manual labor. And this is how we survive. This is how we survive in Africa. We have to do this. We have to do this and build our continent until we get really developed. By now we can mechanize everything. But before we do that, we have to start from somewhere. You have to start from somewhere. You have to start, no matter what. You just have to start doing the little you can do with whatever you have until you get to where you are going. So Africa is developing, guys. We are trying to catch up with the rest of the world, but we can't do it like the way you do it in the US. So we try to observe safety the best way we can, and we also try to protect ourselves the best way we can. We cannot do it the way you do it back in the US, back in the UK, but we really try just to do it the best way we can, the best way we can afford in Africa. But we are getting there, because I also believe when America started developing, they had to do things in a different way. understand what they're doing right now. So we just have to use what we have, do what we need to do until we get to where we want to go. So this is Africa. We are building Africa, and I believe one day Africa is going to be on top of the world, because somebody said to me one day that America is already developed. It has developed so much that it's up there. They're almost to the brim. So America doesn't, the UK, the developed countries, they do not have that big opportunity like we have in Africa, because Africa, we have a very big space to develop. We have a very big space to develop. We have enough space to develop. In America, they've done the best they can. The UK, Europe, they've done the best they can. They've gone all the way to the moon and back. So they've done almost everything that a man can do. So here in Africa, we are enjoying that. We are enjoying the journey of development. We are trying to develop. So as we enjoy the journey, we have to do what we have to do, use what we can use until we get there where the rest of the world is. We also have to experience what the rest of the world went through to be where they are. So we thank God for those people who developed faster ahead of us, because they've made it easier for us as a developing country, because there's some things that they've already discovered that we are using, and they're helping us also to develop. But in most cases, we find that we cannot afford some of the things because of our resources, but we have to do what we have to do to build our continent, Africa. One day Africa will be on top of the world, and even the Europe or the rest of the world will depend on Africa. But I believe Africa, once we become independent, we are going to shake the world. So guys, watch the video to the end. Watch the video to the end, please. Remember to give this video a like. Remember to share this video if you like it. Share the video, comment. You can see we are using a wooden floating trowel just to levelize that. That's what I'm talking about. We have to use a wooden trowel that's improvised, custom-made. We don't have those professional floating trowels for concrete, but the wooden one will do. Will give you the same result. So not as perfect as it can be, but it will give you the same result. So guys, watch our videos to the end. Like the video, comment and share.